Hey guys, we are back, and today I'll be unboxing this cellulite massager. So it is kind of like a skin massager, body massager at the same time, but it's supposed to help you remove some fat, I believe, and helps with the stretch marks. So okay, looks like it is nicely boxed. It comes with this user manual, nice illustration. So you have to plug it in, different kinds of heads explains in here, so that is a good thing. This is priced at $48.99 right now. They usually is about $50 or more, but right now you can go get it for $48.99. So if you guys are looking for a good gift this Christmas, see if this is worth the price. It's pretty heavy. Hopefully it's heavy duty. Okay, got this mesh cover here. Wonder how easy it is to twist and exchange the head. It's like you just pop it. Yep, looks like it's just popped. And this is all the different heads that you will need, depends on what your body needs. Got all kinds of head. Different, wow. So there are at least 8 different heads. So each heads will gonna be depends on what you need. I guess this is a callus remover because it's like a file. Okay, very fine indeed. This is a different kind. There we go. So the manual will gonna go explain to you exactly what these heads are for. They are made of plastic, not silicone, not so thick, not extremely cheap looking. So that I guess is a good thing. And almost looks like it's a cookie cutter, huh? Okay, and now let's go see. Just pop it, put the head, I guess. So when you change the heads, make sure you go make it pop really good so there is no line in here, or else you're gonna have some issues. You don't want that to pop off. And make sure you put these back. There we go. You don't twist it, you just pop it. So there we go. And make sure you don't change the head when this is plugged. So now let's go ahead and plug these and see how good it feels, or the quality. At least this is heavy duty, and I like the feeling of it. Is ergonomic, at least when you hold it. So hopefully for the price of $49.99, I'm not sure how good it is for what it is supposed to do. It's supposed to help us with slimming and cellulite and all this stuff on our body. Okay, so this is what the cord looks like. So now I'm plugging it in. Ooh. So you guys can see the vibration. Pretty powerful. It feels good too. So you guys can see. The bad thing is this is not battery operated. You have to be close to a plug to plug it in. The good thing is, since that this is not battery operated, it is quite powerful. And then this is where you adjust it. Look how much power you can put on this thing. This is the max. Whoa, I love it. I think you can really feel the difference between these and the normal battery operated massager, and I kind of like this one. This is the very first time I own an electric, not electric, oh, you guys can see it's turning red. Okay, not sure if that is good or not, but it feels good, that's for sure. And then I love that it is very easy to dial the turning on and off. And there we go, and that is off. Turn on. And like I said, I love the ergonomic style, which is a good thing. So hopefully this will work on burning the fats I really needed. Okay, and so this is that. And hopefully we can use this more often. So if you're asking me, this is worth that price, I think it is. The only thing that my concern is, I wish they give extra of this mesh, because if you have a pet or if these get ruined, then what to do, right? I'm not sure I can come up with another thing, but just take care of it because there's only one mesh and there is no replacement. But for the power, you guys can see it does really make a mark, and I love how powerful it is. I think with this experience, I think I like the idea that this massager is the plug-in kind and not the battery operated, because it is very powerful and I like it. I love how heavy it is. I just don't know if I'm gonna like it after a few minutes of using, because maybe my hands get tired. But so far so good. Will I recommend it? For the price, I think it is, and for the power, it's also not that loud as you guys heard from. Okay, let me try to go let you hear it again. So that's the max, and it's not that bad. So that's a good thing. So if you guys are looking for something to give someone, a massager, how do you call it, a slim massager, this might be it. So hopefully you guys go check it out. And with that as said, thank you guys all for watching. Remember to subscribe to Yoni J, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.